My name's Jason Schuster. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, and I'm the author of all the writings that these videos are based on. Each episode reimagines my work through the lens of artificial intelligence, blending human insight with digital interpretation.
What if the secret to slowing down the aging process wasn't some far-off futuristic technology, but was actually something that's already inside our own brains? Well, today we're going to talk about a really fascinating peptide called Epithalon. It's a substance our bodies make naturally, and it has a direct link to the very clock that dictates how our cells age. And that really is the big question, isn't it? Instead of just dealing with the symptoms of getting older, the aches, the wrinkles, the fatigue, what if we could go deeper? In this explainer, we're going to dive into exactly that. Therapies that aim to target the very biological nuts and bolts that cause our bodies to break down over time. So where do we even begin? Well, it turns out aging isn't just one single thing. It's actually a super complex process, and it's driven by a bunch of interconnected factors. Scientists have come up with a term for these, the hallmarks of aging. Think of them as the fundamental drivers of decline that are happening inside every single one of our cells. Now, there are quite a few of these hallmarks, as you can see here, everything from our genes becoming unstable to our stem cells getting tired out. And while they're all important, for our purposes today, we're going to zero in on two of the most critical ones. First, telomere attrition, which is basically the fraying of our genetic shoelaces, and second, mitochondrial dysfunction, the breakdown of our tiny cellular power plants. Keep those two in mind because we'll be coming back to them. Okay, so how in the world do we tackle those two huge problems? This brings us to the star of our show today, the Epithalon peptide. And get this isn't some synthetic drug cooked up in a lab. It's a natural polypeptide that your very own body creates in a tiny but incredibly important gland deep inside your brain. So to get just a little more technical, epithalon is actually part of a bigger compound called epithalamin, and it all comes from the pineal gland. But here's the real kicker. Just like collagen or other things that we associate with youth, our body's natural ability to produce epithalon takes a nosedive as we get older. And here's a pretty cool fact about that pineal gland. Unlike almost everything else in our brain, it's not split into a left and right hemisphere. It's a single, unique structure sitting right in the middle. Because of this, some ancient traditions actually called it the third eye, believing it was a center for spiritual insight. Pretty neat, huh? All right, so this brings us to the core of how epithalon actually works, and honestly, it's pretty incredible. It's all about protecting the very tips of our DNA strands, those absolutely critical caps on our chromosomes. These protective caps are called telomeres. The best way to think about them is like the little plastic tips on your shoelaces. As long as that plastic tip is there, the shoelace doesn't unravel. It's the same idea here. As long as our telomeres are healthy and long, our DNA is protected. But here's the problem. Every single time a cell divides, those telomeres get just a little bit shorter. And that shortening is a direct cause of cellular aging. So you might be wondering, does our body have a way to fix this? And the answer is yes. It has a natural repair crew called telomerase. It's an enzyme, and its only job is to go around and rebuild these protective telomere caps. But here's the catch. In most of our adult cells, this amazing enzyme is basically switched off. Its activity drops as we age, and that repair work just stops. And this is where epithalon comes in and does its magic. It doesn't act like a replacement for telomerase. Instead, it acts like a powerful signal, a wake-up call, really. It tells our body to flip the switch back on for the genes that produce our own telomerase, essentially telling that dormant repair crew, hey, time to get back to work. And the results of this wake-up call can be pretty dramatic. We're talking studies have shown that this process can actually lengthen telomeres by as much as 33%. So what that really means is by extending the life of these protective caps, you're literally extending the healthy, functional lifespan of the cell itself. The telomere health, as important as it is only one side of the coin. It turns out that having longer, healthier telomeres is directly connected to how well our cellular power plants are running. And this brings us right back to that second hallmark of aging we mentioned earlier, mitochondrial health. Okay, so our mitochondria, these are the tiny engines inside almost every one of our cells. They're the ones that take the food we eat and the oxygen we breathe and turn it all into ATP. That's the energy currency that fuels literally everything, from your heart beating to your muscles moving to you even thinking right now. Without healthy mitochondria, nothing else works right. And the difference is just night and day. Healthy mitochondria are these super efficient engines pumping out tons of energy with very little waste. But dysfunctional mitochondria, They're sputtering. They produce way less energy and create a lot more oxidative stress. You can think of it like cellular exhaust. And that leads to fatigue, damage, and inflammation. So, how does epithalon help here? Well, it supports our mitochondria in a few really important ways. It helps clean up that damaging cellular exhaust, it makes the whole energy production process more efficient, and it helps regulate the genes that keep our mitochondria balanced and happy. Basically, it helps the power plants run cleaner and stronger. So, when we pull all of this together, what's the big picture? What's the real goal? It's not just about tacking more years onto our life, it's about adding more life to our years. We're talking about improving our health span. That's the amount of time in our lives we spend in good health, feeling vibrant, with our minds and bodies working well. This quote really just nails the whole philosophy behind this. Therapies like this aren't about forcing the body to do something with a foreign substance. They're about facilitating what the body already knows how to do. It's about turning on its own powerful, built-in systems for healing, for repair, and for thriving. And when you start restoring this deep cellular balance, the potential ripple effects are huge. Because Epithalon works on the pineal gland, it can help regulate melatonin, which means deeper, more restorative sleep. By boosting mitochondrial function, it can support your metabolism and even your brain health. And by lowering all that cellular stress, it can help bring your immune system back into a healthy balance. It all starts at the very foundation of our biology. So this leaves us with a really powerful final thought. By targeting these fundamental drivers of aging, like our telomere length and our mitochondrial health, we're not just trying to push back against getting old. We are, potentially, unlocking our body's own internal blueprint for vitality. Maybe the secret isn't in some magic pill after all, but in simply reactivating the amazing regenerative systems that we were all born with.